हेलो हाँ अंदर छोड़ो उसको, आने दो आने दो। अरे रुक ना। अरे सामने मना किया है, सामने मना किया है। प्रशांत अभी अशांत बोलूं क्या? सामने इसलिए नहीं खड़ा करना। जेनी once again they need the picture. Video हो गया? A little that side. That's it? Okay. Nice. प्रणीत आया है, पीछे से छुट गया। Wait करा। प्रणीत आया। Lari, दो सेकंड। Please. Done. फोटो स्टार्ट। हाँ, विजुअल के लिए उधर ला रही हूँ। Visuals. Perfect. So. This side, because the cameras are, you'll get covered. Okay. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? बहुत अच्छे से नाच। ये बॉम्बे टाइप तो करेगी ना?
So yeah, ready? Now doing left. Back here. Left side. This time event में आएगा। Excuse me, madam, only this camera. Madam, first slide.
Yes.
Yeah, ready?
Done, boys? Yes.
हेलो जी जी मैं मिस डीवा को लेके बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी इन लड़कियों के साथ कुछ किया है होस्टिंग 2 साल पहले कुछ जजिंग की और आज मैं और मलाइका को होस्टिंग कर रहे हैं विच इज़ अमेजिंग आई थिंक ये एक बहुत ही sexy, बहुत ही cool combination है. Very often it's a girl and a guy or usually 2 guys, but to have Malaika and me is wonderful. थोड़ा international style से hosting कर रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and of course it's live. तो वो added pressure है क्योंकि ये show आज ही televise होगा, so that is added pressure. But really excited. The girls have worked very hard and जो आज जीतेगी वो international Miss Universe के platform पे हिंदुस्तान को represent करेगी. तो उम्मीद ये है कि सबसे बेहतर लड़की जीतेगी और fingers crossed आगे जाके जीतेगी. I'm not performing tonight. Tonight I'm showing my other avatar, which is my hosting. But you'll get to hear me singing again very soon.
There's been quite some time since you got the crowd.
Yeah.
Do you think this time probably we will be fortunate enough?
I think we're all keeping our fingers crossed. Lara's been a wonderful mentor for the girls, and I'm sure we've definitely got some winners in there. I think globally the competition has become tougher, but I think the girls are very well prepared, and they just have to give that 200%.
All of us already are thinking about your dress tonight.
Thank you. Well, you have to be glam when it's Miss Diva. I'm wearing Monisha Jaising, one of our best designers, and Farah Khan Jewels, and I have an amazing team who gets me ready. Thank you, thank you.
Opposite side क्या? Outside for the lines. Yeah. Hi, मेरी जान. Yeah, there's a reason why I like him. हाँ बोलिए.
How excited are you to be part of this gala?
Very excited because the one who wins this competition will obviously go on to represent us at the Miss Universe, and I just think it is quite a coveted position to be in. So I wish all the participants the very best. Oh, huh? Confidence, charisma, और ऐसी लड़की होनी चाहिए जो जिसे देख के वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे मुझे गर्व महसूस हो. तो she has to have those three qualities as a prerequisite. Yeah.
What is fashion according to you? What is fashion?
इसका मिस डीवा से क्या ताल्लुक?
What is fashion according to you?
It's personal. Yeah, it's just personal. I just think that either you have a fashion sense or you don't. You can't really develop it. You know what I'm saying? You can have someone else whose fashion sensibilities can work for you. But for me, fashion is really something that doesn't depend on clothes. It's about your personality. So yeah, it's original. After a holiday. Yeah. ओहो, नहीं गायब नहीं थी. We had all gone on breaks और बारिश के टाइम में कौन निकलता है यार. तो ये हाँ, यहाँ पे अच्छा मौका था कि मैं निकलूँ अच्छे कपड़े पहन के और आप लोगों से वापस फिर से मैं मुलाकात करूँ. But yeah, I'm just here. I'm always around.
Special something coming up with Amazon.
Yes. It's called Hear Me, Love Me, and it's going to be releasing very soon. But उसके लिए हम अलग प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करेंगे. क्या?
this is my first time here, so I mean I've been to an event before this, but this is really exciting because I've never come to a finale of a beauty pageant, and I think it's very exciting. The girl needs to be really smart. I mean, today if you're not that, you can be beautiful, you can be everything else, but you need to be smart. And if you don't speak today's language, then you lose it all. So yeah.
Yes, tell them how it should be.
Yeah, ask Lara, she knows. What do you think, Lara?
They'll know.
I know. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, good evening. Yeah, so this is what we've all been working up to, and it's been 4 weeks since our 19 lovely ladies joined us from all across the country. My work as mentor tonight, you'll get to see all the work that I've put in with the girls tonight, and I'm very, very excited. I think for everybody who's here, they will be witness to history being made again. And I really do hope that we find a winner that will also bring a crown back to India this time. I think our panel of judges are all extremely well accomplished people in their own right. A lot of them who've worked their way up right from scratch, so they know what it takes, the hard work, the dedication that goes into making a winner. And I'm pretty excited. I wish that we had more male representation on the judging panel tonight, but Sushant's going to be one lucky guy, and we look forward to having him. Well, we've got, so I was very recently watching my own year at Miss India 2000, and Malaika was the host of that contest as well. So 18 years later, she's still doing what she's best at, and I think she's going to do a great job tonight, and Sophie has an incredible voice. So I think both of them on stage are going to be pretty formidable. हम हर साल चाहते हैं कि इस बार आ जाएगा क्राउन, लेकिन बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स डिटरमिन करते हैं कि कौन सी कंट्री जीतेगी. सो ऑल दैट वी कैन डू इज हम अपने सबसे बेस्ट कैंडिडेट को भेज सकते हैं, एंड देन द रेस्ट ऑफ इट इज अप टू फेट. Well, soon enough. Maybe not as an actor, but as a producer for sure. Great, thank you.
Come sir, come sir. Come sir, Sushant. Shot him. Sir, sir.
मैडम फर्स्ट यहाँ पे थोड़ा आगे राइट साइड दिखा
Excuse me, sir.
Malai, we'll finish with the bites first. Okay? Yeah, the bites.
Sorry. Boys, jaldi.
I don't know about lucky charm, but I've had the pleasure of being part of many Miss India pageants where I've hosted and seen many winners come out of it. So it's just been a wonderful journey, and I look forward to this year as well.
What are the things you keep in mind, like apart from
What do I keep in mind? That I shouldn't forget anything. जब भी मैं मतलब बात कर रही हूँ मुझे बस यही दिमाग में होता है कि मुझे सब याद रहना चाहिए, सबके नाम मुझे बराबर से याद रहना चाहिए. And at all times I should remember to smile and be pleasant. Well, it was wonderful. I had a great time. After very long, I'm shooting for a song. तो बहुत मज़ा आया, definitely.
Okay, thank you so much. Just pictures. Taking us. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, we are getting late. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's go.
She's not stopping.
2 minutes, just 2 minutes.
No, she has to go. Richa, please take her. We're going to be in a fix otherwise. I need Please, let's go.
That's it. Just stand here. Just stand here. यहाँ से ले ले जितना हो सकता है वैसे जाना है. Just do like this. Do like
Please subscribe to Viral Bollywood.
Please like, share and subscribe to Viral Bollywood.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.
Please subscribe.